You ever feel like something's missing, but you don't know what? Like, life's not bad, but it's definitely not good either. You wake up, scroll, maybe laugh at a meme, maybe get some stuff done. But at the end of the day, you feel numb, like you're just existing. It's not depression, not sadness. It's that weird middle ground where nothing feels real anymore. If you felt this, don't ignore it. This video isn't just going to explain why you feel empty, but it's also going to help you escape it, step by step. Let's bring the spark back. Why you feel empty even when nothing's wrong. C. Emotional numbness doesn't come from nothing. It's your brain's defense mechanism. You've probably been overstimulated for so long, constantly bombarded with noise, content, choices, chaos, that your brain just shut down a little. And now, the fun things don't feel fun. The deep stuff can't even connect to it. It's like your emotional Wi-Fi signal dropped to 1 bar. Now, this isn't laziness. It's overload. Most people think feeling empty is a sign of laziness or ungratefulness, but it's actually the opposite. You might be pushing yourself too hard, overthinking everything, saying yes to everyone, and now your brain is emotionally exhausted. It's like having too many tabs open for too long. At some point, the whole system slows down. You've trained your brain to avoid emotions. Every time you distract yourself instead of feeling something, you're telling your brain, let's just skip the emotional part. Got rejected? Scroll TikTok. Feeling stuck? Watch another YouTube video. Feeling lonely? Order junk food and binge Netflix. Do this enough times, and your brain starts thinking you don't want to feel at all. And so, it stops delivering emotions, even the good ones. The first step back, awareness. Okay, now here's the fix. And no, it's not just go touch grass. Step one is awareness. Right now, take 5 seconds and ask yourself, what's one emotion I felt today? If your answer is, I don't know, that's okay. That question alone is like stretching a numb muscle. You've just told your brain, wake up, I'm listening again. Move first, feel later. Don't wait to feel better before taking action. Do the action first, and the emotion will follow. Go for a walk with music, clean your desk, stretch for 2 minutes. These tiny actions restart your brain's chemistry. You move physically, and your emotions begin moving too. It's like jump-starting a car that's been sitting for too long. Talk to someone, yes, even if it's awkward. You don't need a deep heart-to-heart. Even a 2-minute voice note to a friend like, yo, I've been feeling kind of off lately. Just wanted to say what's up. That tiny moment of connection reminds your brain, you're not alone. You still belong. Isolation deepens numbness. Connection softens it. Cut the noise, just for a bit. Try this challenge. Go 1 hour without music, phone, or screens. Just be still. It'll feel weird, maybe even uncomfortable. But that silence, that's where emotions start coming back. When your brain stops hearing external noise, it starts listening to internal signals. Do one real thing per day. Each day, do one thing that gives you real-world feedback. Not digital likes, not pixels. Lift something heavy. Cook a meal, draw, paint, write a sentence. Build something, even if it sucks. That tangible feeling of doing something in the real world gives your brain a rush of meaningful dopamine, and slowly, the fog lifts. Fix the environment that's keeping you numb. You can't heal in the same space that made you numb. So change something. Rearrange your room. Delete the 3 apps you scroll out of habit. Set your phone to grayscale for a week. The easier you make it to avoid fake rewards, the easier it becomes to reconnect with real ones. Rebuild real joy from scratch. The truth is, you don't just snap out of numbness in a day, but you rebuild joy like a muscle. Slowly, consistently. Start by noticing little things. A funny cloud, a song that makes you nostalgic, a warm drink, a deep breath. Each time you notice something real, your brain goes, oh, we're feeling again, cool. And with time, you don't just exist, you start living again.